Guys, you are watching Hyper IT Sec channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can score your professional email or business email, or how you can check the reputation of your business email, so that you can make sure that whenever you will send the email to the client, it should be land inside the inbox rather than the spam. So in order to check your score or reputation of your email, you have to go onto the Google and then type email tester. Once you type the email tester, then you will have this link. You have to click on that, and then you have to copy this email and then go into the website on your professional email, compose into, you have to paste that email which we have copied recently, and then you have to give any subject like request for leave, and don't keep empty your body of your email. You have to type something as a formality, because it will also count in the spam calculation. So that's it. So send it. Email has been sent, and wait for 5 seconds, not more than that. Then click onto the check your score, and you can see that your email is 10 by 10, means it is guaranteed that whenever you will send email through my professional email, it will be delivered inside the inbox. So your email is highly reputed, is highly scored, and it is ready to send. In the previous video, we have already shown that how you can connect your domain to the hosting, and in the second video, we had shown that how you can configure the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC record in order to achieve 10 by 10 score. So if you didn't see that video, so I request you to watch out that videos first, and I'm also going to share the link of these two videos in my description, so that you can check it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends, and I request you, friend, subscribe our channel as much as possible, and take care. Bye.